What's up, everyone? Riding the KTM 1290 Superduke R today. Truth be told, I rode it Thursday, but I didn't have my mic hooked up, and I didn't want to give you all that footage because the wind noise killed it. So we get a round two with this bike, which is awesome. So I'm already super excited again. Got 1300cc V-twin here. I think what's kind of cool about it is that they say 1290 when it's actually 1301cc. I think that's kind of cool that KTM tries to round down, kind of dumb it down, but it's pretty cool. Gas looks a little low, but I should be good. This bike is so smooth, man. Like, this is the smoothest V-twin bike I've ever ridden. It still blows my mind. It's a big V-twin, but you get little to no vibrations. It's crazy. And for some that's good and bad. For me, it's kind of on the bad side because I like my bikes to have character. I mean, I like a little kickback from them, especially if it's a V. But that's nothing a slip-on exhaust or full-on exhaust won't take care of. She feels so light in the turns, man. Body roll with her, yeah. Oh, mirrors are fantastic, by the way. Bike, as you can already tell, is super comfortable. Upright riding position. This is nice. Sounds mean, man. That's what I'm talking about. Putting exhaust on one of these 1290 Dukes. Oh my goodness. Go, bro, go, go, go. Man, I'm hoping this guy picks up the pace, even though he's on a 390. It's kind of killing the vibe, man. But it's cool though. Dude, that's cool. Where that dash changes, that's pretty nice, man. Yes. just want to go. No, I'm still absolutely in love with the 1290 Duke GT. Don't get me wrong, but the 1290R is still a super bike. I don't know if this bike has a quick shifter. I really haven't tried, because second has been my fun gear. I'm trying so hard not to pass this guy, y'all. I just don't know. Dude, I'm grinning ear to ear on this bike. See, I keep hitting that horn, man. Epic, man. Freaking Superduke. I love it. Now, the GT, that's the Szechuan sauce for all my Rick and Morty fans. That's the Szechuan sauce for the KTMs right now for me. I'm about to call this that spicy Whataburger ketchup. Yeah. That's what this bike is. Spicy Whataburger ketchup. Nice. KTM 1290 Superduke R. Boy, boy, boy.